YouTube. This is Nate Dogg from Nate Dogg Auto Custom, coming to you with another one. Want to share with y'all YouTube how I got my paint booth filtration set up for some of those guys out there that don't know anything about paint filtrations. I'm gonna show you on how I do it. Right here we got the 60-gallon Husky right there, YouTube, 13.4 with the SCFM at 40 PSI, 11.5 at 90 PSI. It's 155 topped off PSI, 3.7 horsepower. My paint respirator, Harbor Freight, works pretty good. Now this filter here, YouTube, I got a filter coming in to protect my actual regulator. So I didn't want any moisture to interfere with my regulator. So this is how I got it set up. You got the cutoff valve, then it rolls to the water separator before it hits my actual regulator. And I got it on 50 foot of hose running through the ceiling to the opposite side of my shop. So I can actually disconnect it from here just for my paint booth. And if I want to use my DA, if I'm doing body work, I can just disconnect it and hook it up to this hose right there, this hose. So it's real convenient. I just don't want to contaminate anything. So the hose is ran 50 feet. See, YouTube, all the way up to the ceiling. That's my retractable booth there, YouTube. Remember, that works excellent. For those that trying to find out how to do it, send me a comment and maybe I'll make a video on how to do it for yourself. It works excellent, YouTube. But the hose runs all the way to that side. So now, YouTube, here we got a Harbor Freight regulator with a Husky air filter, air separator, couple of Harbor Freights. Then we got a DeVilbiss. I got this from Summit Racing, YouTube. So far it's accurate. I mean, this air right here is dry as a chicken bone. And from there, YouTube, and them little jugs, this is what I use, YouTube, for the dry and dry. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, subscribe, YouTube. This is what I use. So with those, you can reuse them. Just about reheating them. Get you a cookie cutter or non-stick aluminum foil. Throw them in the oven, preset it to about, I say what, about 250, 300. Let it sit for about in there for about an hour. Take them out, and it turns back to the original color, blue. I don't know if I showed you the little desiccant. And I got that ran all the way down to, this is where I tap in at. Yep. Show you what the desiccant beads. Give you a close-up view on this DeVilbiss. Couple of Harbor Freights. People hating on that Harbor Freight, YouTube. Hey, I'm going to tell you, dog tip of the day, go get you one. Hell, I got me 3 of them. Regulator. Once again, this regulator, it's the max PSI for that is 145. That's the reason why I got it for my booth regulator. Because this compressor is maxed out at 155. So you do the math. You can't handle that pressure. So the regulator that's by the compressor is actually rated for 200 PSI. So yep, YouTube, this is a red, back all the way. Get you some of them rat snacks with the B.I.G.
Oh.
Got my daughter here, say hey.
What's poppin', YouTube? You know what I'm saying? It's Nate Dogg Auto Custom. We coming harder soon. Nate Dogg Auto Custom will be up top, and you know it. Peace out.
There you go, YouTube. Hey, you got it honestly, YouTube. Yep. So this regulator here, YouTube, is rated. I want y'all to see if y'all can see it. 200 PSI. So I can disconnect this hose here, this hose, this orange hose, and that's just for my boot. If I want to just start using my DAs, once again, I use the reel, this hose, plug it into here, and it's on and popping. Alright, YouTube, tell me what you think. Like, comment, subscribe.
Don't forget to turn on your notification so you won't miss any video.
There you go. Next video, YouTube, I'm gonna record a video on pretty much how I do a maintenance clean just on the metal, because once again, that's what I do. I do 3-stage mirror polishing. So my next video, I'm gonna show you guys on how to do a maintenance clean on metal, because this right here is considered show polishing. Yeah, I'm pretty much show you guys on what it takes. Get you a couple of microfibers and what I use, do a maintenance polish on this bike. So that's a whole nother video itself, YouTube. So y'all tune in for that. All right, YouTube. Hope you guys out there playing it safe, and I'll be back with you with another one. Tell them peace out, Denae. All right, YouTube.